Everybody serves a master. Most people never find out who theirs is until money asks them to choose. Money is a great servant, but a very terrible God. The first question was never how much do you have? It is whose is it? Ownership, faithfulness, mastery, multiplication. Be faithful in the little. Don't bury what He puts in your hands. Welcome to the Stewardship Code, Principles of Managing Money.
Welcome to the Kids Inspiring Nation devotional.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our series on stewardship. This is the Kids Inspiring Nations devotional. All right, let's go to Luke chapter 19. Luke chapter 19 and verse 16. He said, "Then came the first, saying, Lord, thy pound hath gained 10 pounds. Look at me. 1 returned 10. Look at me. 1 returned 10. Now, how did a man who was given 1 return 10? In finance, every time you double your money is 100%. So for doubling his pound 10 times, that's 1,000%. So understand that God expects you to bring returns by developing your gift. Now, how did he return 10 pounds? Proverbs chapter 22 and verse 29. It says, "Seest thou a man diligent in his business? He shall stand before kings, he shall not stand before mean men." He shall stand before kings, he shall not stand before mean men. Listen, because this man developed his gift, you know what he said to him? He said, "Have thou authority over what? 10 cities." When we get to heaven, let me tell you, when we get to heaven, the people that have changed the most lives are the ones that will live in the biggest places. You see, Lazarus was still in Abraham's bosom. He was poor on earth, he was a servant in heaven. God expects us not to live as potential, but as kinetic. Physics student, do you understand? Potential is energy sitting, kinetic is energy in motion. That is, what He has put in you must be put in motion. It is not, I can be good at this. It is that you are developing yourself to be good at something. Mastery is only developed when potential is continually released to be kinetic. That is, you must keep practicing. How can I improve this 1 pound? You must study to show yourself approved unto the one that gave you the pound. You must discipline yourself to do the right things at the right time. You must look for experience. You have to be a Nwa boy is the apprentice system in Igbo land, where you go and stay with somebody for 7 years, picking experience. You must seek to improve. That's how potential develops. There is no one who got it right the first time. Even God. He made man in His image, but He had to send His Son Jesus Christ to correct the only defect of man. Even God, His only revised standard edition of man is have Jesus Christ in me. He put Jesus Christ in us. Understand also that it is diligence that creates distinction. Diligence is giving careful, consistent effort. You see, I keep teaching. Anyone that is not giving consistent effort on a diligent basis is an unfaithful person. He said, don't tell me because you showed up every day for 365 days that I should reward you. No, show up every day for 1,000 days. Show up every day for 10 years. That's diligence. I tell our young people, I said, to come out of poverty, you have to work 12 hours every day for 10 years. To come out, not to be rich. To come out of poverty, you have to work 12 hours every day for 10 years. There's this thing they have in China. It's called 666. That is, you wake up 6 o'clock and work till 6 p.m. every day for 6 days. The typical Chinese thing is you work from age 20 till you are 35, and then you can start your life as a married person. So in China, you work age 10 to 30, age 20 to 35, that's 15 years. 6 o'clock to 6 p.m., 6 days a week. That's why they're the most productive economy in the world. Diligence creates distinctions. Understand also that skill creates opportunities. A man's gift maketh room for him. So pick a man's gift makes room for him and see a man diligent in it. So diligence, like we said, distinguishes, but his skill creates the opportunity. Say, listen. Nobody will pay a man who is not skillful. I've seen many people come under the guise of, but I know you, or you know me. No. Somebody said, distance is no limitation to desire for a skillful man. Think about this. As you grow older, if someone were to operate your loved one, your dad, your mom, and he told you, I don't believe in God, will you tell him not to do it? That brings somebody that is a pastor to operate on my dad, he'll kill your father. Imagine you are flying in the air, and the guy that is your pilot, he says, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to announce, I'm just coming from a 7 days dry fast. I've not eaten anything for the last 7 days. Everybody will run out. Prayer and fasting, study of the word, giving, tithing is no replacement for skill. Let's not deceive ourselves. People are willing to pay for knowledge that is useful, service that is reliable, ability that is creative, skill that is technical, communication that is clear, and capacity that solves problems. So don't bamboozle anybody that, do you know who I am? You're as useful as you are skillful. You are what? You are as useful as you are skillful. For instance, look at the way the world has advanced today. Anybody, like one of the leaders of the AI, he said, anybody that doesn't know how to use AI will not lose a job. Rather, he will be replaced by somebody that knows how to do the job with AI. So if you're working today and you're not taking back-to-back courses in AI, and then tomorrow you lose your job, you now go and do God of Elijah, send down fire. Oh boy, you are the one that sent down fire over your life. Skill. The world is moving at a rapid clip. I was reading something recently. They said a model, that's the thing that runs the AI, it takes them about $500 million to develop one model, but that after 6 months it is obsolete. I said, when? 500. So the biggest companies in the world run through $500 million every 6 months to outcompete themselves. And somebody will be sitting down and doesn't know anything about it. Go and develop skill. Say with me, I'll develop skill. Come on, say it louder. Put it in the comments, I'll develop skill. Did you receive it today? I'll see you again at the same time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, because Jesus Christ is your joy.
Thank you for listening today. Join our Kids Inspiring Nation community on Telegram at t.me/Kids Inspiring Nation. Share your testimonies and prayer points on WhatsApp +234 811 349 4684. Always remember, you are not just growing older, you are becoming a God child to your generation. Keep taking quantum leaps of joy because Jesus Christ is your joy.